Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6 Pro and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again and find more security and privacy. And here scroll and find installation sources. So here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And if you wish to change it, simply find the app. I will, let's say, find Chrome and then tap on this switcher next to it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it. You have to be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Tap on Allowed if you're ready, and now we can download the app from Chrome. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.